Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to delete YouTube channel permanently. Guys, if you want to delete YouTube channel permanently, so keep watching this video until the end. So first of all, open YouTube on your laptop. You can open YouTube in desktop mode on your Android mobile. Simply tap on this profile icon, and here is tap on YouTube Studio. And now guys, here's the interface. Simply scroll down from here and simply tap on setting. Now tap on channel second number. Here's tap on advanced setting. Now here is scroll down and simply tap on remove YouTube content, and here is enter your password for verification. Tap on next, and here is two options. Simply tap on second option. I want to permanently delete my content, and select this account, and now tap on delete my content. Tap on it. Now enter your email address. When you enter your email address, simply tap on delete my content. When you tap on delete my content, your channel delete permanently from YouTube. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.